Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create playlist on YouTube. Playlists are a great way to organize and manage your favorite videos for easy access and sharing with others. In this video, I will show you exactly how to make a playlist on YouTube in just a few simple steps. So sign into your YouTube account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. So click on this profile picture and then click on YouTube Studio from the menu. So click on YouTube Studio. In the YouTube Studio, click on the Create button in the top right corner and then click on New Playlist from the drop-down menu. Here you need to enter playlist name, description, and choose the privacy settings. It can be either public, private, or unlisted. Public playlists are visible to everyone, so click on Create, Playlist Created. To access and manage your playlist at any time, go to Content in YouTube Studio. So click on Content. All your playlists will be listed under the playlist section. So click on Playlist. To add videos to this playlist, click on this edit sign. Now click on these three dots and then click on Add Videos. Now select the videos that you want to add to your playlist. So we are going to add both of these videos. So we are going to select them. Two videos selected. So click on Add Videos. Congratulations, your playlist has been created. Thanks for watching.